Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. This is my once a month segment where I talk about marketing tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help you build your online presence. Since Elon Musk bought the platform in October of 2022, Twitter has seen its fair share of controversies. And with the social media giant at such an unstable position, new competitors are popping up everywhere. From Blue Sky to Mastodon, competition for the best text-based social media is at an all-time high. And today, we're going to talk about probably the most promising of these new apps, and that's Threads. Threads is Twitter's biggest competition right now, and it truly has the potential to dethrone the Bluebird app. But what has led to Threads' instant success? And will it actually be the final nail in the coffin for Twitter? So what is Threads? Threads is a text-based app that aims to be yet another Twitter competitor. This app opened to massive success this last Thursday, amassing as many as 30 million users within only its first 16 hours. And as of today, Threads has reached a record-breaking 100 million active users, a number unheard of for social media startups. One of the main drawing factors about Threads is that it is directly connected to your Instagram account. This is because Threads, of course, is owned by Meta, another social media giant responsible for Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and many more. And since it's directly connected to your Instagram account, setting up a Threads account is perhaps one of the easiest yet. Once you download the app, you're able to sign in using your Instagram username. From there, Threads does the rest. Your username and verification status are immediately imported from your Instagram account to your Threads account. Threads will also prompt you to automatically follow all the accounts you are already following on Instagram. And if someone you follow hasn't made a Threads account yet, you'll get notified when they do. This ease of access is perhaps one of the reasons why this app has been met with such immediate success. Well, that, as well as the fact that Meta's timing of this launch was impeccable. So why was the timing so optimal? Well, as we all know, Twitter has been experiencing some growing pains as of recently. And by growing pains, I mean seemingly suicidal policies and business decisions being rolled out by Elon Musk. Since Elon Musk's acquisition of the platform, Twitter has seemed to be on a downward spiral, and competitors see that as a promising opportunity. It all began with the implementation of a new verification system. Under Musk's management, Twitter rolled out Twitter Blue, the opt-in paid subscription that replaced the previous verification system. Now, for only $8 a month, users could pay for the appearance of being a verified account, as well as gaining access to features that were, until the update, available to all users. Understandably, this caused some confusion when some accounts that paid for verification began to impersonate known personalities. With previously verified accounts losing their verification status and joke and bot accounts being able to buy the little blue checkmark, impersonation and misinformation was at an all-time high, which is impressive considering Twitter's reputation for the two, even before all Musk's policies changes. Following this backlash, the verification system was then expanded to include checkmarks of different colors. And each different color means a different thing. But this still didn't satisfy users, since it's difficult to remember which colors mean what. However, the newest change to the platform has produced perhaps the most outrage yet. In a controversial call, Elon has decided to limit the number of posts users see per day, capping verified accounts, that is, users who paid for Twitter Blue, to 6,000 posts a day, unverified accounts to 600 posts per day, and new unverified users to 400 posts per day. This is an abysmally small number of posts, seeing as most users reach their limit in only a few minutes. In response to new user complaints, the limit has been increased to 10,000 posts for verified accounts, 1,000 posts for unverified accounts, and 500 posts for new unverified accounts. What's worse is that Elon has also fired around 6,000 Twitter employees by this point, causing many aspects of the app to stop working. This ranges from the ability to log in, to content moderation, to changes within the algorithm, and much, much more. And with the new post limit, users saw the site cease function. Elon has also promised that under his leadership, Twitter would become a platform that truly encourages free speech. Who is free to speak, however, is somewhat debatable. Following his purchase of the platform, many users who openly scrutinized his qualification or criticized his decisions found themselves banned from the app. In addition, hate speech on the platform nearly doubled within the first month of his ownership. Because of this, as well as the algorithmic changes, Twitter has amassed a reputation for prolificating negativity. Hate and hate speech thrive on Twitter, and people have become weary. People are looking for a more positive online experience, and Threads is here to deliver. One of the biggest goals promised by Threads is their effort to facilitate a positive and creative space to express ideas and share interests. Threads has tools available for users to control different aspects of their experience on the platform. They offer the ability to control who can mention you or reply to your posts, to add hidden words that will automatically hide posts that contain them, as well as making it easy to unfollow, block, restrict, or report different profiles. As well as their moderators take online safety seriously, and they are making an effort to enforce community guidelines in an unbiased and justified manner. Because of this and many other reasons, Threads seem to have created a space where positivity can thrive. Another benefit that Threads has to offer over Twitter is the lack of ads. In recent years, Twitter users have seen such a large increase in ads. Mark Zuckerberg, however, has promised that he will not even consider monetizing the platform until it exceeds 1 billion users, which for reference, Twitter only has around 350 million users. And users can peruse as many posts as they would like with no post limitations. Threads has also started to tackle the problem with bot accounts. Since users need an Instagram account in order to sign up for Threads, the number of bots is disproportionately smaller than other social media sites. In addition to benefits stated previously, Threads has one main aim: to be what Twitter used to be, and to do it better. And it has already been released to massive success. But no good things come without a few downsides. Currently, Threads is not available in the European Union because it does not meet current regulations on data tracking. In order to sign up for the app, users are required to consent to the app having access to their long list of personal information. Facebook and other Meta properties have been called out for their questionable data harvesting practices in the past, and Threads is no different. Another concern people have regarding the new social media is the fact that in order to delete your Threads account, you must also delete your Instagram account. Since your Threads account is made using your Instagram account, it makes sense that deleting one deletes the other. However, concerned users should know that while you can't delete your Threads account without deleting your Instagram, you can deactivate your Threads account with no repercussions to your Instagram. And its users aren't the only one with criticism for the new social media platform. Twitter itself has threatened to sue Meta, claiming that Meta has infringed upon their intellectual property rights. Twitter has also accused Meta of hiring former Twitter employees in order to gain access to trade secrets and confidential information, but Meta has dismissed these accusations. But all of this said, Threads is already on the path to becoming one of the largest social media platforms to date. One of the biggest achievements of the platform so far is something no other social media has been able to accomplish. In only a few days, it has been available, and it already seems like everyone is on Threads. The biggest hurdle any social media site has is getting users to actually join. And no one will join if their friends are not already there. In this sense, Threads has achieved the impossible. Since its release, Threads has already amassed 100 million users, a feat that even social media giant TikTok was unable to accomplish until 9 months post-release. Another thing that points to Threads' potential for success is the fact that users are already engaging on the platform at a much higher rate than any other social media. Now, a fair amount of that could be because the platform is so new, but if they're able to maintain this rate of engagement, there's no doubt that Threads can be called a success. And this isn't even the most functional we will see the site. Zuckerberg has promised that Threads is far from its final form, and users can rest assured that Meta's programmers are listening to the critiques and wishes. To conclude, Threads certainly has the potential to overtake Twitter. And at the very least, it also provides Twitter with competition. An increase in competition means more pressure on developers to create better and better experiences for their users, meaning both platforms will drive each other towards innovation, providing users the ability to choose which platforms they prefer. So if you're wondering if joining Threads is the right move for your business, I feel confident in saying that anyone and everyone should try to get in while the buzz is still hot. Threads presents a unique and promising opportunity for businesses to jump in on a new platform while it's at its most hype. I'm very excited to see how Threads progresses, as well as seeing how Twitter responds to the new pressure. What do you think about Threads? Is there a particular point that stands out to you as a reason to join or not join? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this content, please be sure to give this video a like and subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.